Okay, practice problem 1, and your notes are here if you need it. I have like terms. So 3y minus 6y is a negative 3y. I bring down my plus 3. I bring down my 9. Now I'm on step 4. I need to get the constants on the same side by doing the opposite. So I'll subtract. I have a negative 3y equals 6. Last step, isolate by dividing by negative 3 to get y equals negative 2. So my first step was to combine like terms. What was the first step? The first step was to combine like terms. Now we'll check, so we'll put our answer here. Ooh, was it 2 or was it negative 2? I think it was negative 2. And I've set it up for you. So I typed the equation for you, and then I typed it again, but instead of y's, we have parentheses. So we're going to plug in the answer, the solution, into those parentheses. So negative 2 here and negative 2 here. Now I'm going to multiply. 3 times negative 2 is negative 6. Negative times negative is positive. 6 times 2 is 12. Oops. Plus 3 equals 9. So I have a positive 15 and a negative 6. 15 minus 6 is 9. 9 equals 9. So my answer checks, and it is correct. We have 4 more practice problems. You're going to solve them, tell me the first step, and then you're going to check.